Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we'll discuss how to deploy the resources using ARM template. So we'll move on to the demonstration. So for deploying this ARM template using the PowerShell, I have a script here. So using this script, we can deploy the ARM template. So in the script, all the parameters are included. So where this script will start with signing in. So with the command connect as the account. So after signing in, the subscription will get selected. After selecting the subscription, so the resources will get deployed. So this script you can make use of it because what you need to do is you need to put all these files, this parameter file, a template file, and then the script file you put in a same folder, so that the parameters and the template configurations will be taken from the other files. So where here the script, this PowerShell script itself is configured with the required things. So where you can see the template file is taken from the template file path. So that since we have all the parameters and the template in the same path, so that when you run the script, so this template, the configurations which is defined in this template and the parameters will get executed. So I just have all this in a single folder. So now you can open PowerShell, run PowerShell as an admin, and go to the location where you have the uh, script files. So I have these files under ARM script in this location. I'll just move on to the location T colon. So from this location, we can run the file. So you can use the, before executing this command, you need to know the subscription ID, so that first you get the subscription. So get the Azure subscription detail. So currently we are not logged in, so we are not able to get the subscription ID. So that we'll log in and then we'll get the subscription ID. So I'm now logged in. So we'll get the subscription ID. So this is the subscription ID. So while deployment, we need to specify this subscription ID. So can use this command. So first specify the deploy.ps1 file, and then hyphen subscription ID, and give the subscription ID, and then the resource group name. So whatever the resource group name you are going to deploy. So what happens is, in this name the new resource group will be created, or if the resource group is existing, is already available, it will use the resource group and it will deploy the resources inside this resource group. So and also for this deployment, I'm giving a name RG01 deploys 01. So when you press enter, so first initially it will ask you to log on to the account. So So the account has been logged in, and then the resource deployment. First, it will collect the information, that is the subscription informations and all the other resources informations will be collected. After collecting all the required resource information, so then the deployment will start. So it will take a while to complete the deployment. So now after all the resource informations are collected, and then the deployment is started now. Since in the one shot all the resources are getting created, the resources like the resource group, virtual network, subnet, and network security group, and the virtual machine, and all the other related resources are getting created, so that it will take the ideal time which is required to create all these resources. So finally the resources has been created. So now you can see, so initially the resource group has been created, and all the other resources like NIC and the network security group and the VNet, subnet, and the virtual machine, the IP address, and all the resources has been created. So now we'll verify these resources in our Azure console. So we'll just move on to virtual machines. So here we should be able to see our virtual machine 01. So that's great. And also you can see the virtual machine is connected to VNet 01, and inside that VNet 01 SN01 the subnet. And also we'll verify the other things like the public IP address. We'll just go to the resource group. From there we can verify the resources. So here we can see the resource group has been created, and inside that we can see the resources. So you can see the VNet is created in the given name and all the other resources. Even we have customized this NIC name, the public IP name. So everything has been customized, and although the network security group name. So everything has been created in the name which we have defined. So this is how you can within a few clicks, if you have the templates ready and the parameter files ready, you can just deploy the resources in few clicks. So this is what the advantage of the ARM template. So that's why the most of the organizations are expecting professionals who is having sound knowledge on the ARM templates. So my suggestion is you can have more scenarios and more practice so that you can become very much comfortable in this ARM templates. And we'll discuss the other topics in the next videos. And until then, bye bye.